Yeah, so hey folks. So recently I was scrolling through some altcoins, some meme coins, especially on Reddit to see what's trending in the market, how they are performing. And I came across this Reddit page. It's quite interesting. So it's a comparison between Kendo versus Pep. So Pep, we all know it's a very common meme coin. Like a lot of people are, like talking about it, trading in it, investing in it. So Pep is also again there are two separate coins. So first is Pep coin with its own blockchain. Okay, so not the usual Pep we talk about. And the second is ETH Pep, the famous one, the Pep coin which is on Ethereum. So let's jump to Kwala Intel and let's see how Kwala Intel identifies these coins and how it differentiates the two. So let's go to Kwala Intel. So Kwala Intel it already has the category of coins. So it's already curated for us. Let's simply open coins and first I'll search for Pep. So this is the one on Ethereum, which is the first thing, and that will be compared to Pepcoin. So Pepcoin is this. So this is its own blockchain as we saw it on the Reddit page. So let's see how Kwala identifies the two and compares them, the differentiation criteria. So I'm really curious. So let's go to our Kwala Intel chat section. Cool. So Koala is like the sole AI tool for everything on crypto. So let's ask identify Pep and Pep coin. Differentiate and tell me the better coin to invest. So let's see how it categorizes the two and how it differentiates. Okay, so it's thinking. So Pep is on ETH and Pepcoin is a different chain. So yeah, this is what we're looking for. A full comparison between the two. I'm also curious how Kwala Intel gives me a proper format. Like it's a whether it will be a proper one column format and there will be a separate format for the categories rather. So like let's say chain and Pepcoin will have its own chain. Then in the Pep section, the chain will be Ethereum. So let's see. Like even that is something I'm really curious how it gets properly. The cluttered data is properly curated. Okay, it's taking long. It means it's thinking longer. It's thinking deeper, and it's curating multiple resources. Okay, cool. So it's now generating the data. Wow, so it has done Pep, the big Ethereum meme, rank 64, and Pep coin on its own network. That is its own blockchain infrastructure, its own system. So it has like successfully identified the two coins. Let's see how it differentiates them and what it suggests to put my money in. Great. So this is the firstly thing I wanted Kwala Intel to do for me, the identification. Oh, it clearly mentions this. The two peps are not same. Interesting. So even though the names are similar, Pep and Pepcoin, it is successfully able to identify them and successfully differentiate that they are not the same coins. Okay, it's still generating. Okay, perfect. It has generated a very detailed data. Great. Let's take a look. So two peps, the main thing, not the same thing. Great. So Pep, as we discussed first, PEPE, the Ethereum meme giant. So this is the price as of now, and everyone is talking about it. And it will launch in 2023. Founder, all-time high, everything. And the second one, Pepcoin, which is just PEP, that is a stand-alone blockchain underdog. It is on its own chain. So chain, yeah, its own chain forked from Dogecoin, Litecoin family. So it has its own chain, own infrastructure, own blockchain network. And Pep, as we saw, the chain was Ethereum, ERC20 token standard. This is really famous, everyone knows about it. So, and let's see the comparison criteria. So it has given a proper row and column format. So Kwala Intel is telling me these are the criteria on which it has differentiated. So liquidity, narrative, risk of zero, upside potential, team trust, volatility. So it has given me a quite detailed comparison considering a lot of criterias, and overall it suggests Pep, that is the like the ETH Pep meme coin is better bet. It's not close. Okay, so this is what it suggests me. Pep is like kind of better chance I can play compared to Pep coin, and it is suggesting me to invest in the same. So Kwala has given me a proper detailed answer. So it has fulfilled both my expectations. Firstly, the successful identification of two different coins, even though they have the same name. And then second, expectation was successfully differentiate them and give me a better coin to invest in. And Kwala Intel has successfully done the both. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed the way Kwala Network is working and generating responses. So let's explore more on this. Let's dive deeper into Kwala Network. Thank you.